Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you a quick, simple, natural glam look with 6 products or less. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using for the products first, and then we'll go ahead and get into the look. So I'm gonna be doing for my primer, and I told you guys if you've seen my videos before that I've been using the Neutrogena Hydro Blast Gel Cream Extra Dry Skin. I've been using this cream as my primer and it's been working amazing for me, so I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to be using this blush from L'Oreal Paris True Match, and then I'm also going to be using this Tarte palette, Park Avenue Princess highlighter and bronzer palette that I got with my BoxyCharm box. And as you guys can see, it my son already got into it. Yep, it's all but I'm gonna be using that palette, and then I'm also gonna be using 2 other items that I got from the BoxyCharm box. I'm gonna be doing the Color FX drops, glitter drops, to give myself a little bit of glow and highlight, and then I'm gonna also be using the Dose of Colors lipstick. And then I'm gonna be doing my favorite foundation, the Wet n Wild Photogenics foundation. So, and then I'm also going to be using a brush and my beauty blender and just a brush, and I'll let you guys know why I'm using the brush. And sorry, I lied, it's gonna be more than 6 products. I'm gonna be using just a mascara. Doesn't matter, doesn't have to be this one, just whatever mascara you have. So that's gonna be 2, 4, 6, 7 products. Okay, perfect. So let me go ahead and just take my glasses off, and then put my hair back, and then I'm gonna start with let's go ahead and do the foundation now.
For this natural look, you want to get the foundation that is closest to your skin color, because I'm not going to be doing any concealer or anything for this look, so just use a foundation that matches you the most.
Go ahead and go in with the beauty blender. Okay, we are totally done with that. Okay, make sure everything's well blended. I'm not going to be using concealer for this look. It's just going to be the foundation because we want to look as natural as possible. Okay, there we go. Now shade to our eyes. I'm gonna go in with Princess Cut, this one right here. Oh, this one right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and ¿qué pasó, papás? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? I'm just gonna take just a tad bit and then just go all around right here, just to give it a little bit of shadow.
Do you see the difference? It just gives it just a little tad bit of shadow.
There we go with that. Then we're gonna add the bronzer and highlighter to our face. So I'm just gonna pick up this fluffy brush and just go ahead and start bronzing. And I'm gonna go ahead and start bronzing with the same color I used for the eyes, that Princess Cut. Okay, go ahead. I dab a little in my arm just to make sure it's not too excessive. And then let's go ahead and just start bronzing. And then I'm gonna go do a highlight. I'm gonna go with Enhance, this color right here, and I am just going to, I'm gonna use this same brush just to highlight under the eyes just a little, since I did not use concealer. Perfect. Now we're gonna add the blush, give our cheeks a little bit of color. So let's go ahead and pop that on our cheeks. Smile. There we go. Just added some color to the cheeks. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our mascara. Don't mind that. I just dropped my brush. Whatevs. Okay, so go ahead and grab your mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing. Go now for the fun part. The Cover FX drops. Okay, I want to go overboard with them. So just grab about just a tad bit and I think that's, there we go, just like that. Then just pop it on your cheeks. So yes, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. It wasn't too complicated, it wasn't too hard, there weren't too many products. So I hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a like down below. Let me know what you guys want me to do. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and do not forget to subscribe. Remember, there is going to be a giveaway. We are only needing 9 more people to subscribe to my channel in order for me to start the giveaway. And I really would love to start the giveaway soon so I can ship it out to somebody for Christmas. So if you guys could just share my video, if you guys can tell your friends, tell your family members, share the links so they can subscribe so I can start the giveaway and somebody can get this for a Christmas present. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. I hope you guys like the look, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, see you next time.